Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning reggae artist Buju Banton took to social media yesterday to voice his disapproval with the protocols put in place by the government to contain the spread of COVID-19. In a series of videos he shared on his official Instagram account, the Gargamel called for an end to the wearing of masks while urging Jamaicans to wake up.
But now we're no mask. A man of a mask not make for man. So hear this. And from September and January we do about people them. Free my people. Free my people.
Buju also questioned what was being done to assist businesses that have suffered and persons who have been laid off due to the restrictions.
What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up.
Several social media users have since voiced their disagreement with the views expressed by Banton, including his daughter, Jody and Mary. Mary tweeted, quote, "Let us all as Jamaicans play our part in flattening this curve by continuing to wear our masks and practicing social distancing. Follow the protocols set out in place to protect not only your life, but the lives of your loved ones," end quote. Buju has since removed the masks that were being sold on his official website in support of his new album Upside Down 2020. Now, dancehall hit makers Beenie Man and Conscience have been recruited for the remix of Clean Bandit's hit single, TikTok. The British electronic music group added some Jamaican flavor to the VIP remix, which also features British singer Maple. Clean Bandit announced on their social media account that the VIP remix was recorded in Jamaica after group members Jack and Luca traveled to the country recently. The original track was first released in August and has 29 million views on YouTube and has hit 50 million streams on Spotify. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime, brought to you by
Mix It. Smirnoff Smash. How do you smash? Must be 18 years or older. Enjoy Smirnoff responsibly.
What does it mean to save the world? To be a hero? Is it the ability to do something special and extraordinary? Or the ability to see the special in the ordinary? Is it the way we rise, even when every muscle in our body says not today? Or is it how we silence the voice that says, we've done enough? Is being a hero found in what we wear? Or does it really show in the many ways we care? Does it mean we go above and beyond, across and below?